Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the vibration app and granting its permissions so the motor can run. Once done, place your phone on a flat, stable surface to feel the pattern clearly. Make sure Bluetooth is on if the device uses a remote motor. You select a basic preset to start. This lets you confirm intensity and timing. As you tap play, listen and feel the rhythm. If it's too strong, lower intensity immediately to avoid discomfort. Now you customize the pattern. You edit pulse lengths and spacing to match your goal. Start by changing intensity in small increments so you notice subtle differences. Once you like the strength, alter pulse duration and gaps for rhythm control. Use the app's preview to test for a few seconds, then tweak again. Make sure to save the configuration as a new preset. This keeps your favorite settings handy and avoids redoing complex edits next time. Finish by running a full test cycle for 30 to 60 seconds to ensure consistency across the entire routine. If vibration is weak or stops, check battery level, confirm permissions, and verify motor or Bluetooth connection. These are the most common issues. If the app freezes, force close and reopen. If the problem persists, reset to default or reinstall as a last resort. Remember, one key troubleshooting tip: reboot the phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.